Welcome back, grooming enthusiasts, to another exciting review. Today, we are diving into the world of facial hair care with a spotlight on Firehouse Moustache Wax LIGHT. If you are in pursuit of the perfect stash, stay tuned because we have got all the details you need. Firehouse Moustache Wax LIGHT is a game changer for men who takes their mustache grooming seriously. Crafted with precision and care, this wax is designed to help you achieve a well-groomed, refined look. It's known for its light hold, making it perfect for those who want a natural appearance without that stiff, overdrawn feel. So, whether you are going for a classic handlebar or a subtle touch-up, this product has your back. First impressions matter, and Firehouse Moustache Wax LIGHT knows it well. The product arrives in a sleek, vintage-inspired tin that exudes a sense of old-world charm. The packaging not only protects the wax but also adds a touch of sophistication to your grooming routine. Plus, the compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Applying Firehouse Moustache Wax LIGHT is a breeze. It has a smooth, creamy texture that easily glides onto your mustache, allowing you to shave and style with precision. The light hold ensures your mustache stays in place without feeling heavy or greasy. Say goodbye to unruly hairs because this wax tames even the wildest whiskers, giving you full control over your look. One of the standout features of Firehouse Moustache Wax LIGHT is its impressive staying power. It keeps your mustache looking sharp throughout the day, resisting the effects of humidity and other external factors. Whether you are at the office or out in the town, you can trust that your mustache will stay put, ensuring you maintain that impeccable appearance from dawn to dusk. The subtle pleasant scent of this wax is a delightful bonus. It's not overpowering but adds a touch of freshness to your grooming routine. What's more, Firehouse Moustache Wax LIGHT is made from high-quality, all-natural ingredients. You won't find any harsh chemicals here, just a blend of beeswax and petroleum jelly that nourishes your facial hair while keeping it in place. That's it for today's review of Firehouse Moustache Wax LIGHT. We hope you found this insightful and informative. If you are ready to elevate your facial hair game, don't hesitate to give this product a try. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay dapper.